Can I say something really quick? Just about the for other students, uh, about like I think I think the biggest thing for me definitely was the trust thing of like the learning to trust yourself. Like you're already hearing it a lot of times, but you think that's just random stuff in your head. But the other one is exactly what you said about the follow-up questions, especially when you're not getting information. Because I think I've got stumped a few times when I wasn't getting anything, and then
Mhm.
if I did do the follow-up questions, there was a reason why I was, so that for like when you're starting out, it can be really scary when you're not getting anything.
Mhm.
And sometimes it's just you're not getting it because there's a reason you're not getting it, not just because you're not connecting or something. So I think that,
Right. That's a wonderful point. Yes.
not to compare yourself to others, because in the beginning there will be people who just get all this beautiful text and like all this information, and you get like a sentence or just a feeling or even nothing, and then you're like, oh my God, I can't do this. And so
Yes.
yeah.
You go like, I don't like you. You get- you getting so much.
It's like I'm like, oh, I'm not getting any of this stuff. And my guides don't say the whole dear child a whole lot. Like I've heard it once. And other
Okay.
than that, I don't get the whole dear child and dear this and dear that. Like, so it's like don't be put off
Ask them.
if the language is not the same or something. Yeah.
Okay, but do me a favor. Ask them in if that is because of them or of you. I mean, not
I
now,
think yeah,
but
I can ask, but I think I know the answer to that. I'm sure it's because
okay.
of me.
Yeah, well, and maybe not,
Yeah.
but like maybe they don't want to overwhelm someone or so. So, but that oftentimes that's a good question to ask. Is it because of you or because of me?
I think I was thinking about this because I have a feeling that some of the stuff, the way they talk to me is very like simple and like kind of to the point. And I think if it was like too like yeah, I might have been put off by it in the beginning, I think.
Yeah.
If it was like too, oh dear child, and love this and love that, I might be a little like
Too,
um
too fairy tale
yeah,
spiritual,
I think I like it when it's a little more straightforward. So I think it
purple and crystal ball and sage. Some people are just have a different spirituality than
yeah.
that. So
I like
that's
it when it's a little more
fine.
down to earth. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Very
So
nice. Thank you.
thank you.